Your depreciation report is outdated and you likely have an upcoming levy.
Own your life.
Hi, I'm Jessi Johnson, a best-selling author, Greater Vancouver Realtor with eXp and mortgage broker since 2006. In this episode, we're going to discuss how most depreciation reports are outdated based on expired maintenance cost predictions and that your strata should really consider updating their report. Do you own a condo or a townhouse? In the past, depreciation reports were created and values were estimated for work to be completed in the future. This was way before all the supply chain issues and the new crazy cost of building supplies. Many condo strata organizations do not have enough money saved for the new value of the cost to fix and repair. That means your strata fees are either going up substantially or you're going to be required to pay a levy or an assessment payment. Be proactive and ensure that your strata's depreciation report covers today's prices and not the pre-COVID, pre-supply chain, pre-inflationary cost. The initial challenge lies in the cost of updating a depreciation report. They're very expensive to create. Depreciation reports cost thousands and thousands of dollars depending on the size and complexity of the strata corporation's common assets and buildings. I used to run a strata and served as the president and vice president, so I can speak from experience here. A standard 8-foot 2x4, which it's not actually that size, goes for about $4 Canadian now. Yes, it was a lot higher a couple years ago, but it's down again. Going back 5 years ago, it was about $2.50. So, the cost went up about 37.5%. However, you now also have to pay a higher tax on that amount. So instead of paying $2.80 after tax, you're now paying $4.48 after tax because you're also paying more tax now on the higher number. The total cost is $1.68 more per board. So the cost of the 2x4 is now up 60%. That is insane. Yes, this is a small example, but other things like windows, plumbing, and electrical supplies are even higher. So if your budget is $1 million to fix X, your strata does not likely have enough capital to cover the difference. Enter the levy. Did you know that you cannot get a mortgage to cover the cost of a levy in most circumstances? Your strata will need to increase the strata payments to ensure that you have enough to cover the cost of these expenses in the future. I'm not trying to freak you out, but instead help prepare you for the inevitable. Be proactive, talk to your strata, prepare for the future. What do you think about this? I would love to hear your opinion. To keep this content flowing, please hit the like and subscribe to this channel. Feel free to comment below with any questions or opinions, and I'll do the best I can to respond. For confidential questions, my contact details are in the description also. Don't forget to pick up a copy of my best-selling book, Rockstar Real Estate Investing, on Amazon if you haven't yet. And if you're interested in becoming a realtor and joining our team at eXp, we have one heck of a program for new and experienced agents. Thanks so much for listening. Have a nice day.